Okay, I think last class I stopped relations. Okay, I think I stopped the circular symmetrics of sequences last class, right? Because maybe we see these are the properties of the DFT, properties of the discrete Fourier transforms, periodicity, linearity, and symmetric properties. So last class we studied linearity, and then first we'll study periodicity and linearity and circular symmetry. Circular symmetric of a sequences. So this is circular symmetric sequences. Actually, I explained. I think this one shifted. Okay, I will explain once again. I will explain the endpoint DFT because circular symmetries some problems will come. So that's why explaining. Once the endpoint to DFT. So endpoint means what? I think you people now you clear once you solve the problems. I think you people know the equations. So people know the equations e to the power of j theta. E to the power of j theta means. So before going to this class, I will explain some problems. So only 2, 3, and then later. I think the screen is visible and then the board also visible for you. Okay. Then you people know the equations. So last class we solved the problems e power j theta. What is e power j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. Okay, e power minus j theta. For example, e to the power of minus j 2 pi nk divided by n. You know, last class we discussed w n to the power of nk, right? So when you find out the values of e to the power, so what is the e to the power of value? E to the power of minus j theta. The theta value is like this, or e to the power of minus j pi by 2. Okay, e to the power of minus j pi by 4. Last class, e to the power of j 3 pi by 4. So here what is the value? Cos 3 pi by 4 plus sin j sin 3 pi divided by 4. For this, cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. So I think you people know Euler's relation. Okay, the Euler relations. So this is based on the Euler relations. Here cos see theta. This is value theta. Okay, these are the basic equations. Cos theta minus j sin theta. Here cos pi by 2, okay, minus j sin pi by 2. So then you can, what is the sin pi by 2? Pi by 2 means what? 180 degree divided by 2. So sin here cos 90. What is the value of cos 90 minus j sin 90? Okay, these are the equations. These are the basic equation. These two are the basic equation. Next, you people know cos theta. What is the cos theta? Cos theta is equal to e to the power of j theta, e to the power of j theta plus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to e to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2. So these are the basic equation. Actually, people studied in a PU also. Okay. So PU, I think in the PU you studied. So you people the Euler's formula and all. And then what is the values of j? J is equal to root of minus 1. So and then another one is continuous time. For continuous time, what is the equation for continuous time? What is the equation for continuous time and discrete time? What is the equation for continuous time? A into e to the power of j of omega t plus theta. Okay. What is the discrete time? A into e to the power of j omega n plus theta. Right? So what is the omega value? A into e to the power of j omega value is 2 pi of t plus theta in continuous time and discrete time. Okay, these are the equations. At least you should know these equations when you're solving the DFT and LFT. You should know the equations. Okay, and then see, you should. I think have a laptop with notepad to write all these equations and then solve. And if you don't know, you can ask me in the class. Okay? You have problems. Compute. So I will give some problem for you guys. You can solve. Compute. Compute. Compute the DFT of the sequence defined by so here x of n is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. X of n is equal to minus.
ಸರ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
x of k is equal to, see, this is the problem. Compute
Hello.
the DFT of the sequence.
ಸರ್
Sorry,
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ, ಬರೀ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬೋರ್ಡ್.
compute this one, this side.
ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
Is it
ಸರ್
visible
ಈ
now?
ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay,
Sir.
so this is the problem 2. You can write it. Compute the DFT of the sequence defined by. So here x of n is equal to minus 1 to the power of n for. So n is equal to 3. Here we mention the sequences for A, B, C, D. These are the 3 problems. In using the x of n is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. What are the values? Here the DFT sequence numbers we already mentioned. N is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. Here n odd and n even. So here, what is the equation? What is the equation for DFT? X of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w n and k. So you are already clearly mentioned x of n is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. We should use in all the 4 problems x of n is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. So what is n? Okay, so here we substitute x of n value. N is equal to 0 to n minus 1. N values are 0 to n minus 1, right? So here minus 1 to the power of n into w n and k. So next, finally, what is the value? 1 minus minus 1 to the power of n divided by 1 plus wn and k. Okay, for w into the power of k is not equal to minus 1. First you go with the A, problem A. This one. So n is equal to 3. What is x of k? X of k is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus sir, this is another this one continuation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 minus omega n here n common power of n ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So okay, so now x of k is equal to 2 plus here n k ಬರಲ್ಲ, k ಬರುತ್ತೆ because we common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 1 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 to the power 2 clearly mentioned. One plus here w value n w. What is here 3 power of k na k. We can convert w values e to the power of 2 pi 2 divided by, what is the W value? E to the power of e to the power of e to the power of j, e to the power of j 2 pi k divided by n, right? So then what is the equation? 2 divided by 1 plus e to the power of theta cos 2 pi k divided by n plus j sin 2 pi k divided by n. What is the x of k value? X of k value. So this is for, what is the value? 0 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 2. Sorry, less than or equal to k. Sorry, n no, it's k. DFT, right? 0 less than or equal to k, less than or equal to 2. So next you can same procedure you can follow. The n is equal to 4 and n is equal to hard and even.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಲೋ,
ಒನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1.
ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಸರ್, 2. ಓಕೆ,
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ.
Okay, next take down the problems. Take down the problems and solve in your home and then upload in the Google Classroom. Find endpoint DFT of the following sequence. So completed. Finished. Sorry. Two bar minus, sir. This one, huh? This one? See, what is the formula, x of k is equal to See, your voice is not audible. Yes. I already explained, right? Minus here -1 minus 1 minus of -1, right? To the power of n. So what are the values, sir? So what are the n value? See here, we clearly mentioned, right? We can take it 3 sequences. Now n is equal to 3, right? What are the values? 0, 1 and 2. Oh, first you take basic values from 0. 1, 2, 3 na. Allappa sequence, so see here, if I given sequence of 3 means the values are 0, 1, 2. Equations are 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Hello? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. See, n is generally we vary n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Correct? But 3, you mentioned, we know the sequence. So sequence is, it's not 8 point DFT. Last class we studied, right? 4 plus DFT, 8 plus DFT. Right? 8 point DFT and 4 point DFT, right? Last class ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ 4 point DFT ಅಂದ್ರೆ what are the values? So ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇ ಬರ್ದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ? 0, 1, 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? Where? See, ನಾನು ಫೈನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ x of k ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದೇನಪ್ಪ? x of k equation, x of k is equal to 1 minus 1 to the power of n, right? 1 plus n k. Okay na? So this is for w n k value is not equal to minus 1. So next I will take n is equal to 3. Okay, so then x of k is equal to n value. K value, you can take k value 0, 1, 2. Okay, so k you will take, and then what is
Excuse me, sir.
What is the omega value? E to the power of j 2 pi k divided by n.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, minus 1 power small n ಅಲ್ಲ sir? ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ನೀವು x of n is equal to ಮೈನಸ್, ನೀವೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, x of n is equal to minus 1 whole power small n ಅಂತ.
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
Sorry. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ 2 ಪೈ ಕೆ ಎನ್. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಡೌಟು? ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು? ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಎನ್ ಕೆ ಎನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? x of k dft value is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n, okay, e to the power of minus j 2 pi n k divided by n. Understand?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? x of k is equal to ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
x of k is equal to n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e to the power of minus j 2 pi n k divided by n. Okay na? So here e is equal to minus j 2 pi k. K ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What is w? n to the power of nk. e to the power of minus j 2 pi ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So we write the equation, this equation in the form of w, right? Here x of k, this is the DFT equation. N is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n w n power of nk. Okay, this equation na we write in this form of wn. W is, this is big N. Big N means number of sequences. Means 4-point DFT. 4-point DFT. We can calculate the 4-point DFT means n is equal to 4. For example, 8-point DFT means n is equal to 8. Or you clearly mentioned n is equal to 3. So these values are 3. So these values are 0 to n minus 1. Vary, right? And then another we calculate x of k. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ? So for this 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, number of n is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so we take wn to the power of k. Okay, and then next equation is 2 divided by 1 plus, what is the w value? W e to the power of minus j 2 pi k divided by n. This is big N, number of sequence. So we can write like this: cos 2 pi. What is cos 2 pi? 2 pi k minus j sin 2 pi k divided by n.
ಸರ್
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೇನೋ?
How 2 in the numerator, sir?
One to the power of 0 ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ?
Sir, n varies from 0 to 2, no, sir?
0 to
2.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 ಏನೋ?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the n value?
3.
ಸರಿನಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಡ್ರಿದಿರಲ್ರೋ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಟಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್. Okay, next you calculate n is equal to 4, and then next one hard and even you can calculate it, and next I will give you some problem for you. You can solve it. You people solve and upload into the Google Classroom. I will evaluate. Find the n point. Find n point DFT of the sequence. So here I mentioned what is x of n. X of n is equal to e to the power of j omega m n. 0 less than or equal to n, less than or equal to n minus 1. Okay, now next on the easy problem also. For next to compute the n point DFT of the sequence. So compute n point DFT of the sequence. DFT of the sequence for n is equal to 5. Compute the DFT of, here I have given two sequences. Okay, na? x1 of n and x2 of n. So here x of n is equal to 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0. Okay, and compute the result. Compute the result with the DFT of x2 of n. x2 of n is equal to 1, 1, 1 for n is equal to 3. See, if you have any doubts, at least ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಲ್ವ, ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಲ್ವ, ಅವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Another one, compute the 4-point DFT. So if you are in Mysore, you can come anytime. So okay, just have a phone number. I think you can call me just in the free times. If people come, doubts idre banni Mysore. Okay, so the 4-point DFT of the sequence. So 4-point DFT of the sequence, x of n is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay, another one. You can compute just same thing. 4-point DFT, x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is for the practice purpose. You can solve it. I will give a list of list of problems I'll give a list of problems. You people should solve that problem for the examination purpose too.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಿ ಸರ್
Yeah.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್?
Problems you can refer Prokis and Opinam and Ganesh Rao.
ಸರ್ ಅದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು?
ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾನೇ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು.
ಓಕೆ.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ DFT ಇದು ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, IDFT ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. Opinam and Prokis, the good books, but problematics ಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. DFT and DFT ಆಗಿದೆ. IDFT ಸೇಮ್. In the place of x of n we given x of k value ಅಷ್ಟೇ. X of n value in the place of x of n. Here you give x of given values are x of k. Then we find out x of n value. DFT. See, for DFT you can find x of k value. Okay. IDFT means x of n. We find x of n value. Okay, here x of n values are given. Okay, x of k values are given here in IDFT. You can calculate it. So correct ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ n is small and big and confuse ಆಗಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು. n means this is the number of sequences. So here this is small n, 0 to n minus 1. Okay na? So you start from n is equal to 0. What is the n value? Your sequence means sigma n is equal to 0. Your sequence is 8 means 7 minus 1. Sorry, 8 minus 1. What is the sequence? N is equal to 0 to 7. Total values are 0 to 7 or 8 aitala. This one, no? And then carefully observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು the values of W. W n to the power of nk ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ನಾವು e to the power of minus j 2 pi kn divided by n. So ಈ n ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ in the problems. Some problems, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಈ n is equal to 3 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂದಾಗ, so we should carefully observe it. ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇವನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್. You already know the mathematics, you already studied the signals and systems. So directly you think it, at least you some time, you give some times to your brain should work, right? Each step explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it takes more time, and then I will take extra classes. That's it, no problem for me. Then you come to online, I will take the extra classes. Again, the problems ಗೆ tutorial classes are there. So that's why see here, e to the power of ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, no problem. e to the j ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos theta plus j sin theta. e to the power of minus j theta, cos theta minus j sin theta. See these two equations, no, you can in the top of your page you should mention what is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to e to the power of j theta plus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to e to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2. Actually, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ e to the power a into e to the power of theta ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. theta ಅಲ್ಲಿ some values ಓಕೆನಾ. some problems I will upload in the Google Classroom. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you can come to college if you are there in Mysore. Otherwise you can ask me in the classes. And then you refer this book Kandappa. See, so this is the one of the one book what I referring. This is the book, the digital signal processings. So this is by ProKeys. This is the prescribed book. Another book. So this is also another book. This is also prescribed book. Opinion. This is discrete time signal processing. Another one is this is for local author. Local author means it's for the maybe a local author and foreign author. What is the difference in the Indian author's books? Digital signal processing by Ganesh Rao. This is a old edition actually, but these two are new editions. It's available in the library. You can collect in the library. Collect from the library, but it's the chapter 7 in the start agute. You can start from the beginning better. You people know the Z transform. So what is the discrete time? What is continuous time? And then what is the relationship? Okay, and then what is the inverse of the Z transform? What is the analysis of the Z transform domains invariant in the time invariant? Okay, and what is one-sided Z transform? And then frequency analysis. After that, frequency analysis for the continuous time and then discrete time. And then frequency domain analysis of LTI and sampling and reconstructions of the signals. After that, it starts actually discrete to Fourier transform. It's start from chapter 7. So what about chapter 0 to 6? So why DFT is first means you already studied the signals and systems. You know the Z transform, right? You know the time invariant. So that's why I think nimge adu the signals and systems classes also in the online class agittu ankonತೀನಿ, right? So any doubts? So ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ? ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ? ಇಬ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ?
ಓ ಸರ್, ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು
ಸರ್? ಸಿಕ್ತು ಸರ್, ಅನುಷಾ.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಸಾರಿ, ಅನುಷಾನಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 10:30. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು 3 to 4 people randomly I will call and then you show the output. Better you start writing the what you people done in the latex. Okay na? latex format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. latex ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, latex course. You take it, IIT Bombay X. You go to IIT Bombay X. I think my screen is visible. No, now my screen is visible. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೇನಪ್ಪ? See here, go with the latex. See, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನ how you maintain the lab record, because ಅದು 1.5 credit ಇದೆ. It's not an integrated lab. So you should prepare the report in the latex format. So how can you write the latex? How can you use the latex format? Open source is there. Open source ಏನಿದೆ? Open source latex. ಓಪನ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಎನಿವನ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, In the free times, you go through it. IIT Bombay X, this actual Lakshya is there. I will forward the email. IIT Bombay X. Okay, 30th September, last date is there. You can go with all this one. Where? Courses. Here, first you go to Lakshya. So this is IIT Bombay course. Actually, go and register these courses. Here, what are the courses are there? See here, signals and system fundamental. What are the implementations of data algorithms? So object only 325 rupees enapa. That course 325 or 345. So you go and register LaTeX for students, engineers, and scientists. Really, it's helpful for you. So that's why all of you should register and then make use of it. IIT Bombay, this is after that they will give a certificate. Once you complete this, they will give a certificate. See here, what are the instructions for enrolling the classes? So download the brochure and download the schedules are there. Okay, after that you go through it. See here, or you install LaTeX software. So, and then what are the style pages? So formatting content, table images. It's really helpful for you. Only 6 weeks are there. Topics total 6 also, but how to all the topics is covered here. So I done with I done these courses actually last I think. Where download certificate. Actually, I completed. Let's see here. So this is my certificate, last certificate. Okay, 2019 September, same September to December I completed. Now IIT Bombay courses. So you go through it. The grade also mentioned. Okay, A plus A plus is final actually. A, B, C, like this they give. But grade is not important. According to me, you should learn something. So you go through it, all these things. I will share the details with you guys. In the chat box I mentioned. So go and register. You first IIT Bombay Lakshya. After that, you go to IIT Bombay X. What is so we all give a early bird discount. I think thermodynamics, skill, computer signals and systems, skill development courses, so 325. So these are all skill development programs. So okay, better if you want you can take. Otherwise you go with the overleaf. So this is the overleaf. This is the online LaTeX editor. But none. So according to me, you should go with the IIT Bombay Lakshya and learn, and then you install the software and then learn it. That is better. So this is the online. You can register it. You can log in. So you can log in, and then after login, LaTeX format will come, and then already codes, existing codes are there. Okay, go with the Overleaf also. Overleaf is an online editor. So this is the online LaTeX editor. Okay. So each lab experiment, each one should, using the LaTeX, you do the report, because this is 1.5 credit. Each report output baribeku, procedure irbeku, and then you type the procedure output, and then theoretically, how can you send the data, sir? You just marta hogi till end you can submit it, and then DFT and all how you do, sir? Anta questions barutte next. I know you can solve the problems in the A4 sheet, and then what are the problems you solved, you can verify it, means theoretical and practical. So what I asked means, so theoretical it's a one side and practical, though both are match, then only I will accept it. I evaluate it in the later, but before submit you can match the both the theoretical and practical. For example, here we solve the problems yesterday, right? Is the sequence n is equal to 4 and all. We solve the problems and got the output. Same output you should you got in the using the software MATLAB or Activa. So what I expect. So this is what I expect. Then you match with the theoretical values. Okay. Any doubts? Have any doubts you can ask. Anisha, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? See, ನನ್ನ request to all of you, please brush off the signals and systems. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೇಟರ್ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಟು, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಈಚ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾನು ಝಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್, ಹೈಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್, ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. And then project, maybe we can hakonತೀನಿ. Those who are interested to do the projects, you can do. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubts, okay, you can come to college too if you are in Mysore, or you can call me, and then when I am free, I definitely will explain. Okay, thank you.